some of these machines even existed. Today's post is on the top 10 mesmerizing factory machines. At number 10, we have a wire bending machine, which bends wires into specific shapes for use in construction or engineering applications. Raw metal wire is fed into the back, which is then quickly worked into a usable metal piece before being cut off.
Number 9. So this machine makes giant metal springs. These springs are used for industrial purposes and are designed to undergo incredibly heavy weight loads. Number 8. What we're looking at here is a forge hammer. It is used to work raw metal into a more usable form. Number 7. The machine here is designed to add engravings onto a metal surface. Here's a similar machine that does the same sort of thing, only it uses a laser to add engravings onto the surface. At number 6, we have an industrial metal cutting machine that actually uses high-pressure water to cut the metal. Machines like this aren't as efficient as traditional cutting machines that typically use lasers, but it sure is cool to see. Number 5. What we're looking at here is a little bit of an optical illusion. A metal rod is being spun at a fast speed, while a cutting machine forms the required shape. Number 4. This machine is used to mold gear pieces into their required fittings so they can be attached to other components. It's pretty incredible how many things this machine actually does. First, it cuts away the square side to form a circle. It further files away the outer edge into a smooth surface before cutting a fitting hole.
Finally, it adds engraving so it can be later screwed onto other components. Number 3. Molten metal is formed into a circular gear using this machine. These gears have their gear teeth cut later on in the process and will eventually be used for industrial purposes. Number 2. A machine makes hammered filaments by forcing incredibly high amounts of pressure on an iron bar. Hammered filaments have a few different purposes, but are mostly used to make gates and fences. So this has to be number 1. A cylinder of raw molten metal is flattened by a hydraulic pressure machine. It is later formed into a large gear piece